How to fix TikTok not posting on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok not posting on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here just go to search and type TikTok and then go to permissions. This one storage, you will find it like that. Enable it and click force stop here and then clear cache. And now just restart your phone and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to TikTok and go to your profile and click these three lines here and then settings. Scroll all the way down and click logout and log in again, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.